Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our JavaScript video tutorial. Today we will talk about how to manipulate HTML and CSS. That means we will see how we can dynamically control the content of our web page and modify its styling. So let's understand DOM HTML CSS manipulation. First of all, selecting elements. We can use document query selector and select the first matching elements. And using document query selector all, we can select all matching elements. For example, I have a created constant button equals to document.query selector. I have given a class name my button, so we can get my button attribute through this. So it's find the first element with class my button. Here I have created a constant text elements equals to document.query selector all. I have given a class name my text, so we can get my text attribute through this. So it's find all elements with the class my text. Once we select an element, we can change its text content. For example, we can update a button label or a heading. In this example, we change the text content of element. For example, element.text content. This will change the text of an h1 to hello JavaScript. Then we will see adding and removing classes. We can use class list property to add or remove classes of an element. Use class list add to add a class. Use class list remove to remove a class. For example, I have created a constant box equals to document.query selector. I have given a class name box, so we can get box attribute through this. I have used this method to add a highlight class name from this box, and I have used this method to remove old class name from this box. Then we will see styling elements. We can directly manipulate the inline style of an element. We can set specific style properties, color, font size, etc. For example, element.style.color, its color will be blue. You can see, and button.style font size is 20 pixel. Then we will see creating and adding new elements through JavaScript. We can dynamically create new HTML elements using create element method. We can create an element append child method. We can add it in DOM. We have seen this in last class. Now we will see its example. For example, I have copied this code and paste it to our code editor. Here it is already given, but I will explain it again. I will correct it. See what I have done here. I have taken a new div, document constant, new div, document create element by id equals to new div. Then we create a new div dot text content equals to I am a brand new div. Here it is printed. I have put in div. Here it is I am a simple new div. This is how we can manipulate. Now we will see some styling properties. We will see method and property. First of all, we have style property. Set or get value of a specific CSS property of an element. Here we create a constant element document dot query selector my element. Here we have element style background. Then we have class name, class list, add, remove attribute, set attribute, get attribute, remove attribute name, element dot offside, element dot offside width, offside height, style dot display, style dot visibility, style dot opacity, style dot background color, style dot color, style dot font family, font size, font weight, text align, such as alignment center, left or right, whatever you want to do, we can do it. Then comes padding, then margin, we can increase and decrease the margins. Then comes border. So friends, these were some ways through which we can control HTML and CSS in JavaScript. If you want to know more, you can ask in comment. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.